Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make these adorable reindeer cupcakes. Now, I love him because he kind of looks like a reindeer with his, like a deer in the headlights thing, only we're a reindeer in the headlights, but it cracks me up. But let's begin this guy, and got some chocolate antlers going on here, and it's really fun to make. I just used mini chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet. I just poured about 3/4 of this into the bowl, depending on how many antlers you're making, and just heat it at 30-second intervals, stirring each time. And then while we're doing that, we're gonna get some kind of cookie sheet. Here's my beat up one. I'm just using it to hold these in place. And some kind of lined piece of paper. That way we know we're making our lines straight. You don't have to, you can freehand it if you want, but I never trust my freehanding. And then we just go ahead and put a wax paper down. So the wax paper is the main thing you have to have. The rest, just make it easier. The tray is so I can lift it up and put it in the fridge when I'm done. You can just let it sit out and let them harden on their own, but it's a lot quicker if you do it that way. Now I'm gonna place a tall mug here and fold my piping bag in half after I put a large round piping tip in there. And I'm just going to put that folded bag right over my mug so that holds it in place so I can pour the chocolate into there without getting chocolate everywhere, which is a plus. I usually, I enjoy having chocolate everywhere, just hate the mess, but I enjoy eating the chocolate everywhere. But anyway, here's our melted chocolate here, and we're just gonna scrape that right into the bag. Now, since this is chocolate, not frosting or buttercream, it's already gonna start kind of flowing out the end. So you're gonna get some chocolate in the bottom of your mug, but that's okay. That's why we have a mug there. Maybe have a paper plate on hand, because we're gonna pull this up and unfold it, and it's gonna drizzle a little chocolate out as we're doing this. So if we don't want it to drip, once I get my bag, I'm kind of twisting the end of my bag so that way the chocolate doesn't come out as I kind of squeeze it when I make these antlers. I kind of twist it and hold it in place just like I would a regular piping bag. But I'm going to hold it up like this until I'm ready to start piping. And then when I'm ready to start piping, I'm going to pipe straight up the line, and then I'm going to hook it at the top. Then I'm going to come right back down without lifting up and do a little hook on the side, and then a little hook on the other side. And this will make a great little antler to go straight into the buttercream on our cupcakes. So I'm just going to make a bunch of those. And once I have as many of those done as I want, I did a few on the sides too, just to get rid of some of my extra chocolate. I'm gonna go pop that in the fridge, and then I take them out after 30 minutes, and let's do our cupcakes. These little eyeballs are super cute. They're from Wilton. They're just little candy eyeballs. You can just pipe on with buttercream, but I'm gonna use those eyeballs and these little red M&Ms. If you wanted to make all different kinds of colors of buttercream, you could do that, but I'm just going to use chocolate buttercream today and the candies. So this is a super large writing tip. It's the largest one I have. I'm just going to pipe right in the center and just let that build up, and kind of just go moving my wrist around to make sure it's evenly distributed around the cupcake, and then just pull up. That'll give us a nice bit of chocolate frosting on top of our cupcake, and then he will be able to stick his eyes, nose, and antlers right into that. So we'll just grab those little candy eyeballs and put those on, and then the little red M&Ms. And after we get those all in, we'll just go ahead and spear him with his antlers right on top. And then our cute little reindeer will be done. It's really super easy, and they're really cute. So I enjoyed doing these a lot. So thanks for joining me today, and please check out all the other fun tutorials I have on my YouTube channel.